Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I'm going to talk about Canva product design tutorial, and it will be a completely beginner video for you guys. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. As you can see, we already created an Canva account, and this is the interface of our Canva. And if you want to create a Canva, then just visit over that place. So let me give you the simple step how you can create a Canva, and you just need to understand what is the meaning of Canva. Canva is like a free platform where you can design your graphics. It helps you to create social posts. Then you are allowed to manage your docs by Canva. Then you can prepare your presentation also. You can do your photo editing. You can also create WordPress or websites over Canva. Here you can see these are the features of this Canva, what you can do it in this platform. So I hope you understand why you need Canva. And also you can see design and code with AI turns idea into reality. So here you can see if you chat with the AI, then you can easily create your design over that place. So Canva makes your work so much easy. So we have some free plan, then pro, and also a premium plan. So here you can start with the Canva free. So you just need to be click on get Canva free. Once you click over here, they will give you the option to create account through Google, Facebook, and also with the email. Also they have another way you can choose it and you can explore it. Once you've done your account creation, then just go over here and come back to your Canva. You will get this interface in the home, and now eventually we are going to deep down in the main step, and that is creating a product design. So first of all, again you need to be understand what is product design. So we can take help of Google or ChatGPT to understand what is the meaning of product design. So go over here and search for ChatGPT, and then let's search here what is product design. What is product design? And they will give us the definition of product design. As you can see here, product design is a process of imagining, creating, and refining product that solve a specific problem or meet user needs. It involves everything from initial idea generation to final form. And let's give another prompt, that is give me a brief. Let's go and let's check this out. So in some word we will understand what is the product designing. So here you can see product designing is a process of creating and developing products that solve user problems or meet a specific need. It combines functionality, usability, and aesthetic. I hope you understand what is the meaning of product design. In Canva, we are going to create a product design. So let's go over here and you can search it from the template. So here you can see we already have such a million of templates. So from this place we can find out some template. Let's search product template and then click or hit the enter button. Once you hit the enter button, then now you can see we have some of product design over here. We can use this in our social media or our website thoroughly, and you can see if I scroll down I will find out further more options. So I want to just check this out, one of them, and let's go. I think this may be a good choice for me. So click on customize this template. Once I click over here, it will redirect me to a new tab, and as you can see it's really eye-catchy and organized. So here the product is really cool, so I'm going to create one of them. So that for reason I will take idea from this design and I will apply it on my design. So let's go. I think this one, let's go on to the elements, and I'm going to search some image that will be, or I will search some video will be something like this, headphone. Then click on videos, and now I'm going to paste it here. Yeah, it looks nice. So here as you can see I'm going to find out a text. First of all, I will add a text that will be, what is the name, the new era of headphone pro. So here come that place, and it's look nice. So I'm going to choose the font. Let's scroll down and find out some font which will be look good in that platform. So you need to be scroll down, find out the best one for your design. So I'm going to choose this one. I think this may be good because I will add some other design over that place. Yeah, I can find out furthermore. Let's explore it. 210, this is really popular one. So let's go over here, and I think this one, yeah, this one will be good. So now I am going to change the color into white. Yeah, it's now awesome, new era. I'm going to copy this text, and similarly I'm going to paste it here. I did lock it, so again let's paste it here. Yeah, it looks nice now. Let's paste it over that place and group it here, and once I done this, then I will add some template over that place. So I will again visit on the elements, and I will select the shapes, and I will make it white, and I will paste over that place so it looks nice. So here you can see that for reason I take this one. I think this is not till white. Yeah, now I think this is white. Yeah, let's go and again choose another one. Simply I'm going to simply copy this, and I will make it the text more heroic. So here you can see I will place it like this way, and this one will be my text capture, and again copy it, and I will reduce the size over this shape, and I will place it here. As you can see, it looks really nice, and I need to do work similarly with all of the fill gaps here. Similarly, once you've done this, then you will shift to the next task, that will be add a picture of the headphone. If you have one of them, then you just need to be uploaded in here on the Canva. So let's finish this work. So here you can see I did complete my task. I don't know how it will look after the design, but I am trying my best to make it professional. So let's dive into the upload. So I'm going to upload a picture that will be a black headphone. So I already have one. Yes, I'm going to upload this one. Once I done it, it will take a while to upload it. Now it's complete, so I'm going to place it, and I will remove the background. Once I've done it, I will place it over that place. So as you can see, it looks quite different now. I'm going to add some animation over here. So here you can see we have some description also. So I'm going to add a description. So here I'm going to copy this text, and I will place it here, and I will choose the font that goes familiar with this one. So let's find out one of them. I think Pumpkin's Light will be good for my design, so that for reason I choose regular version. And here I'm going to change it or reduce the size, and then I think it's perfectly good. And here I can add some image banner. So let's go again element and search for image, and you will get some options here. You can see image template frames. So I will search the frames over here. Here you can see this is the frames, and I'm going to add an image. that will be sky. Here you can see this is the image, and I'm going to place it around this one backward. Okay, now I will make sure it will be a group so I can easily drag it down. So make it in a group, and now you can easily drag it down. So I did this, and now I think this design is not enough, pretty much cool, but for right now I can do my stuff with this one. So I'm going to place it here. Again, let's make it the position back here. So here I think the design is not pretty much cool, but it is right now okay for me. But we can change this template also, like we can add our image over that place. Here you can see, let's remove the background, it done. Then click on here and place it over that place. First of all, I'm going to remove this and I'm going to place it this way. So here you can see that our design has been done by the template, or we can design a custom one. Design totally depend on your plan, like how you want to design your product. So I am not a professional graphic designer, so that's why my design looks not enough cool for you guys. But here you can see you can change it, the template, by using this simple step. So the process is really simple. I hope you gain so much knowledge from this video. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.